Hello student, welcome to the lecture series of complex variable and partial differential equation. Today in this lecture we will continue our chapter number 3, that is conformal mapping. In this lecture we will learn about some special transformation, that is W is equal to Z. Okay, so first of all let us understand how can we use this transformation W is equal to Z square. Okay, to find out the image of any point in Z plane. Okay, so here we have W is equal to Z square. So W is equal to U plus IV and put Z is equal to X plus IY. Okay, now next this is the equation of square. So this will become X square minus Y square plus 2X IY, because I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, now comparing real and imaginary parts, so we will get U is equal to X square minus Y square and V is equal to 2xy. Okay, so with the help of this we can easily find out the point of U and V of W plane. Okay, so let us understand with example, that is find the image of the triangle region bounded by the lines x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 1 in Z plane under the transformation W is equal to Z square. So here we have first line, that is x is equal to 1, second line is y is equal to 1 line, and third one, that is x plus y is equal to 1 line. So what are the point for x plus y is equal to 1 line representation? So first of all put x is equal to 0, so we will get y is equal to 1, and then put y is equal to 0, so we will get x is equal to 1. So by joining these 2 points we will get the line of x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, so here we have representation, that is this one is 0.00. Okay, second this one is x is equal to 1, so this is x is equal to 1 line. Here we have y is equal to 1 point, so this one is y is equal to 1 line, and here 1 point, that is 0 1. So here we have 1 point, that is 0 1 point, and second point 1 0 point. So by joining these 2 points we will get third line, that is x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, and this is the area, that is called region C in Z plane. Okay, so here we have to find the image of this area or this region bounded by this 3 line. Okay, with the help of the transformation W is equal to Z square. Okay, so here we have transformation, that is W is equal to Z square. So put W is equal to U plus IV and Z is equal to X plus IY raised to whole square. So this is nothing but x square plus 2x IY plus I square y square. So this will become x square plus 2x IY, and I square is equal to minus 1, so this will become minus y square. So real part is x square minus y square and imaginary part is I into 2xy. Okay, so here we can say that U is equal to x square minus y square and V is equal to 2xy. Okay, now second is here first point is x is equal to 1 point. Okay, so put x is equal to 1 here in U and V. So we will get U is equal to 1 minus y square and V is equal to 2y. So we can say that y is equal to V by 2. Put y is equal to V by 2 here, so we will get U is equal to 1 minus V square by 4. Okay, by taking LCM, so this will become 4U is equal to 4 minus V square. Okay, so this is nothing but this will become 4 minus 4U. Okay, so this is V square is equal to, by taking 4 common, so this will become 1 minus U. So we can write like this, V square is equal to minus 4 U minus 1. So this is the representation of parabola. Okay, so this is representation of parabola with vertex here we have V minus 0 raised to whole square is equal to minus 4 U minus 1. Okay, so with vertex 1 0 and opening parabola opening in left side, because here we have negative sign. Okay, so this is the representation of parabola with vertex 1 0 and parabola opening in left side. So this is the negative value for parabola will be open in left side. Okay, we will represent it in last slide. Okay, second point is we have to find out the image of y is equal to 1 line. Okay, so here again we have u is equal to x square minus y square. So put y is equal to 1. So this will become u is equal to x square minus 1. And second we have v is equal to 2xy. So put y is equal to 1. So this will become v is equal to 2x. So x is equal to v by 2. So put x is equal to v by 2 here. So this will become u is equal to v square by 4 minus 1. And by taking LCM, so this will become 4u is equal to v square minus 4. Okay, so this is nothing but v square is equal to 4u plus 4. So v square is equal to, by taking 4 common, so this will become u plus 1. So we can say that this is v minus 0 raised to whole square is equal to 4u minus 1. Okay, so this is again, this is parabola. This is the representation of parabola with vertex. This is minus 1 0 and here we have plus 4. So parabola and parabola opening in right side. Okay, our third point is we have to find out the image of x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, so our third line is x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, so by taking square at both sides, so this will become x plus y raised to whole square is equal to 1. Okay, now next term will become x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, so by taking 2xy opposite sides, so this will become x square plus y square is equal to 1 minus 2xy. Okay, now by squaring again it both sides, so this will become x square plus y square whole square is equal to 1 minus 2xy whole square. Okay, so this is nothing but the representation. We can write like this: x square minus y square whole raised to square plus 4 x square y square is equal to 1 minus 4xy plus 4x square y square. Okay, so in both sides 4x square y square 4x square y square cancel out. So this is nothing but x square minus y square whole square is equal to 1 minus 4xy. Okay, now we can put this x square minus y square is equal to u and 2xy is equal to v here. So this will become u square is equal to 1 minus v. Okay, so this is u square is equal to 1 minus 2v. So we can write like this by taking 2 common. So this will become 1 by 2 minus v. So we can represent it like u square is equal to minus 2 v minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is nothing but u minus 0 raised to whole square is equal to minus 2 v minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the representation of parabola with vertex. Here u point is here, so with vertex 0 1 by 2 and opening in downside. Okay, so here we have 3 line image representation. In first one, here we have parabola with vertex 1 0. So let us write here. In first case we have parabola with vertex 1 0 and opening at left side. Okay, this is like this: v square is equal to minus 4 u minus 1. Second we have parabola with vertex -1 0 and opening at right side. Okay, this is like this: v square is equal to 4u plus 1. And in third case we have parabola with vertex that is 0 1 by 2 and opening at downward. Okay, this is the representation like this: u square is equal to -2 v minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now how we can represent it? So let us start. This is the representation. This one is our u axis, this one is our v axis. First point is our 1 0. So for example, this is point 1 0 point. So let us start with first parabola. So vertex point is 1 0 and opening it left side. So this parabola will going to this side, and at which point? So this is 4 points. So here 0 2 point, and here also add 0 minus 2 point. Okay, so this is parabola like this. Okay, second point is our -1 0. So here we have -1 0 point and opening it right side. So this is right side, and here we have distance like this 4 point. So here also this is going from 0 to and 0 minus 2 point. So this is like this parabola. Okay, and then third is our point that is with the vertex 0 1 by 2. Okay, so where is 0 1 by 2 point? So for example, this is 0 1 by 2 point. Okay, and in distance that is it opening it downward side. Okay, that is negative value. So this is negative side, and here in distance that is 2. So this is total distance 2. So this is like this parabola. This is going from this point to this point. Okay, so this is the representation of parabola, and this is the region dash bounded by with this parabola, and this is one our W plan. Okay, so now let us understand with second funda, that is W is equal to Z square. Our transformation as it is, but in R and theta form. So we can write like this: W is equal to R e raised to I phi. This is the radius, and this is the angle in W plan, which is represented by capital R and phi. And this is one is radius and capital theta angle in Z plan, and which represented by R e raised to I theta whole square. So this is nothing but R square e raised to 2 I theta. Now comparing this to this, so this will become capital R is equal to R square and phi is equal to 2 theta. Okay, so radius R in W plan is nothing but radius R in Z plan. So radius R in W plan is nothing but R square in Z plan, and angle phi in W plan is nothing but the angle 2 theta in Z plan. Okay, let us understand with example. That is, find the image of the region bounded by 1 less than or equal R less than or equal to and pi by 6 less than or equal theta less than or equal pi by 3 in Z plan under the transformation W is equal to Z square. Okay, so here we have transformation, that is W is equal to Z square, and here we have region that is bounded by radius, that is 1 less than or equal R less than or equal to. So here we have two radius, R is equal to 1 and R is equal to 2, and here second two angle, that is one is pi by 6 and second is pi by 3. Okay, so first of all let's represent Z plan. So this one is x axis, this one is y axis. So here we have angle that is pi by 6. So where is pi by 6 angle? So this one is pi by 6 angle. Second angle is pi by 3. So second, this one is angle our pi by 3 for example. Okay, and first radius is 1. So for example, this is one radius circle like this. So here this is one radius, and second radius is 2. So for example, this is 2 radius circle with center point, so it will become like this is 2 radius circle. Okay, and theta angle in between pi by 6 and pi by 3, and radius in between 1 and 2. So this is the area, or this is the region which is bounded by this radius and angle, and this is z plane representation. Okay, this is radius 1 and this one is radius 2. Okay, so here we have transformation, that is w is equal to z square. So in w plane, radius is equal to capital R e raised to I phi is equal to R e raised to I theta whole raised to square. So this is nothing but R square e raised to 2 I theta. Okay, so by comparing real part and imaginary parts, this will become R is equal to R square and phi is equal to 2 theta. Okay, so here we have given 1 less than or equal R less than or equal to. Okay, so to convert this R into R square form, to find out the radius of W plane, so here we have to square in all term. Okay, so this will become 1 less than or equal R square less than or equal 4. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 less than or equal capital R less than or equal 4. Okay, so this is the radius and this is the representation of radius of W plane, because this radius now R is of W plane. Okay, second, here we have angle, that is pi by 6 less than or equal theta less than or equal pi by 3. Okay, so to make this theta angle to 2 theta, so here we have to multiply it with 2. So by multiplying with 2, so this will become 2 pi by 6 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 3. So this is nothing but pi by 3 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 3, and 2 theta, which is phi in W plane, phi angle in W plane. Okay, so our first radius representation of W plane, that is 1 less than or equal R less than or equal 4, and second angle representation, that is pi by 3 less than or equal 5 less than or equal to pi by 3. Okay, so let us start with angle. So this one is our W plane, this is U axis, this one is V, here pi by 3 angle, so here we have pi by 3 angle. Second is 2 pi by 3 angle, so this one is 2 pi by 3 angle. And then our first radius, that is 1 radius, so this is 1 radius circle, so this one is 1 radius. And second is 4 radius circle, so for example this is 4 radius circle. Okay, so our radius is in between 1 and 4 and angle is between pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. So this is the area, or we can say that region R dash or C dash. Okay, we can represent it like this, C or C dash, R or R dash. Okay, so this is the representation of the region C dash in W plane. Okay, so today in this lecture we have studied about the special transformation, that is W is equal to Z square. Okay, thank you for watching this video.